Based on the intro, it looks like I could have this mess cleaned up within an hour, but not me. Every time I start to clean even a small mess, I end up wanting to do everything that I've been putting off because I'm already putting my energy into it. So why not unravel all my half-finished projects? Detangle some of my yarn, clean the floors, wash the windows, and move all of my half-finished projects into a bigger container because the one that it's in right now isn't working. I wish I could say that I caved in after 6 years and bought this yarn winder myself, but I didn't. It was a gift, and I'm so grateful that I have it. Back then, I didn't see the reason for getting a yarn winder because I thought, okay, I can just wind this yarn by hand, which I did a lot. But the great thing about the yarn winder is that you can make your yarn into cakes, which means that the working yarn can be pulled from the center, so your skein doesn't move around as you crochet, and it makes it a lot easier to pull your yarn. So while I still ravel some of my yarn by hand, I now have the convenience of a yarn winder, and it is really nice. When I was younger, my dad used to get so frustrated with me whenever I cleaned something because I always made more of a mess than what we started with, but he was always so happy with the end result, so it is worth it. At this point, we can start to put our yarn away into different bins, different containers, and get everything organized. I found this duvet cover bag in the closet, so I'm just putting my project along with the yarn that I need for it in this bag. It's nothing fancy, but I love the fact that it has a zipper so you can close it. We have huskies and their fur tends to get everywhere, so the more that I can keep the yarn and my projects away from them, the better. A couple weeks ago, I got something from Facebook Marketplace, and this wonderful lady gave me this huge box. So I thought it would be perfect to store my half-finished projects in because my whip bin is getting really full. So we are going to transfer those over right now. Alright guys, now the real cleaning starts. We are going to dust, clean some of the windows, wash the floor, and vacuum. I'm so excited! I hope you all have a wonderful day and get some time to be creative. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.